Hello everyone, I'm happy to announce I'm now a brand ambassador for a new model shop, Scale Models HQ, which has just opened online. They sent me a few bits, which is very nice of them. If you'd like to go and have a look at their website, which is www.scalemodelshq.com, you can go and see what they do. You've got some good stuff on there. And if you use the code of MATS MHQ10, that's MATTS MHQ10, you'll get a 10% discount, which is very nice of them as well. So without further ado, let's have a look at what they sent me. First thing I'm quite excited about is the sandbags. The model sandbags for diorama by Lang. Show you the box, and apparently these are mouldable with some PVA glue. Let's have a look at what you get inside. There you go, that's empty. There's 40 in there, and they're quite small. We've got a seam on the back there, and if I was using them, I'd probably fold them up, put them in place, then using the PVA, put them on a vehicle, Sherman, whatever really, M10, anything. I'm building a Sherman with sandbags at the moment. I wish I'd have got these a few weeks ago, but I'll do another video of me using them when I'm building the next one with sandbags on. So yeah, 40 in there, which is quite a lot. Right, next up we've got a finger protector. And apparently these will work for slashing and not stabs, and I wish I'd have had these a while ago because I've got a nasty scar down the middle of my thumb from using them. Hopefully I won't cut my finger while opening the finger protectors. Have a look at these for you. We used to use stuff like this at work. On our gloves, if we had to smash windows to get into a premises. Yeah, I might give those a go. Right. I'll tell you what, proof's in the pudding. We'll do this first. That seems to work. Yeah, that's fine. Don't stab. But yeah, I could see me wearing that. Next up, get it out of the way, we've got this is a miniature like seam remover, you know, when you're doing barrels or whatever and you're scraping away, stuff like that. Tells you how to use it on the back, and it looks, when you look at it, it looks quite thin, but it's quite a sturdy piece of metal there. So yeah. Then you put it down all the different barrels, all different lengths. Yeah, I'll certainly be using that. Scraper tool for 1/72, 1/144, 1/350, 1/700 scale. You could use it for any scale, I'll be honest with you. That's a nice. Yeah, that's not going to bend unless you really give it some. Next up, we've got the stencils. Get something to point this out. Now I will be using these. Got Deutschland there. My German's not too good. I used to know German, but once I've moved out of Germany, get posted elsewhere, it faded away. Heil Hitler, a few other things you could spray on the walls, a picture of him there, eagles, swastikas, the crosses, divisional markings, kill marks as well, and turret numbers, or numbers wherever you want to put them. And you've also on here, you've got A1, A2, so they'll correspond to use together, I guess. Yeah, I'll be using them again. yeah, they're nice, quite nicely done. And finally, got these well, glue sticks, for want of a better word I suppose. They're to help you apply glue to parts of your model. I'm building a Tamiya's Famo at the moment, so I'll probably go downstairs later on and let's just cut one of these off for you. Yeah, they're quite, I might need a oh, it's coming away now. Yeah, these are quite well made as well. Certainly on the sprue there. I should have worn that finger protector. Only that had happened to me. I'm not going to cut that out, I'll keep it in. It happens to us all. There you go. I'll be replacing that blade then. And this is for adding glue. You fold all these up as it says on the back. Let's try that for you. As it says down here, and then use it on the glue. It gives you instructions for all the different things they supply. So there's the Stencils ones at the top, and there's your seam protector. There's your seam scraper and your glue applicator. So let's get some glue out. And what I think you do is put some on there. Oh yeah, I see. That's on there. And then you add it to what you want. So I'll give that a try out later and then let you know how I get on in another video. So as I said, he's got some great stuff on there, and Scale Models HQ, so that's www.scalemodelshq.com, and use the discount code of MATTSMHQ10 and you'll get a 10% discount. Catch you later.